officially winter. Look at this. TDI is covered in snow. It's October the 24th, I believe. Like, jeez, let's give this thing a cold start. Caked in snow. Looks pretty nice for the outline. Now doesn't that look beautiful? Just covered in snow. I love when TDIs covered in snow. And look at that look. Well, let's get the lights uncovered. Now let's check her. Oh yeah, just leave her like that. Perfect. Isn't she a beauty, eh? Oh, I love that angle. Look at that. Just hidden in the tree of the snow. Oh yeah.